All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here and wanted to do a real quick video on another skin that I picked up for my iPhone 12 here. So if you watched a video I did about a week or so ago, I actually did a gunmetal gray carbon fiber skin on the iPhone 12, which looked really good. I'd check that video out up above if I were you. But what I wanted to go ahead and do is a personal favorite of mine as well and slap on one that I also got, which I showed in that video, which is the black honeycomb design there. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box here, or box, I mean bag. So this is exactly how they send them to you when you get them from Sopiguard. So you get the skin itself with, which is really cool. So you got the skin with the cutout of the Apple logo, camera bump cutout with the camera bump cutouts for the lenses and everything. And then it does give you the bumper sides and everything, so you have full complete coverage of the phone. But if you watch my other video, then you know that I'm a big fan of just really the only back of it, not the sides. So in this video, I'm only going to be doing the back and the camera bump one. And then also, just like the other ones, you get the microfiber cloth, which you see up above here, but you get the black microfiber cloth. You get a wet wipe for cleaning purposes, so an alcohol pad there. And then once again, you get your Sopiguard before you start skin installation card here with, once again, 10% off with the promo code Sopiguard. So there you go. So let's dive right into this and get this going. So same-o. Basically use the provided alcohol wipe, and you're going to clean the whole entire back of the phone. So that way it is nice and clean to have that skin go on there with no debris or lint or anything on there. So easy peasy. And then what you're going to do is then use the provided microfiber cloth that comes with it and just wipe it down. So just get it nice and clean here. And I want to mention, so Sopiguard's website is Sopiguard, Sopiguard.com. So very simple. They have a ton of different skins on their website for the iPhone, for OnePlus devices, Samsung devices, all that good stuff. And this skin itself, I believe off the top of my head, was $9.99 or $8.99. I'll put it somewhere right here to let y'all know exactly the exact amount. But you've got the phone all nice and clean there. Actually, let me go ahead and, there we go. And then what you want to do, and what I did last time, and normally what I do with these is I put half of it on, like for example, like right here. So I'm going to try it again this time, but last time I ended up having to just take it off completely and then just doing it by hand a little bit because it just wasn't matching up the way I wanted it to. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it on here real quick. I'm just going to do it like I did last time. Okay, and there we go, guys. So it took a little bit longer than I anticipated, and I need to use my blow dryer to get some of these air bumps out, but for the purpose of the video, I just really wanted to show y'all just how it looked on the actual phone itself. So as you can see, there are going to be a few air bubbles, but once I get the blow dryer, I can blow those out pretty easily. But there it is on the actual phone itself. So I do apologize for the bubbles. You know, I'm going to go ahead and fix that real quick. All right, guys, so sorry about that, but there you go. So fast forwarded quite a bit on this one. But this one took a little bit longer, and whenever I've done a Honeycomb one, I always tend to run into that problem with the air bubbles for some reason. Like I see another one there. But once again, I'm not using my blow dryer yet, so it'll be fine. But there you go. That's the design of it. Looks awesome. Really, really like the look of the honeycomb design there. And then I do like the look of the two-tone with the bumper against the honeycomb there, so it looks really good. Just for fun, let's go ahead and put on the camera bump one. And there we go. That's the product with it all on. So there you go. So that is the Honeycomb Black on the iPhone 12. So obviously this won't fit the 12 Pro. Now the skin itself will, but the camera bump won't, obviously, because there's not the telephoto lens cut out on this particular one. But after everything's said and done, it does add a nice texture to it. So if you're wanting to go naked with it and just hold the phone itself with just the skin on, then it's definitely going to add a little bit texture or a little more textured grip to it. That way you feel a little more confident holding it without a case on it, because the back of the phone is very slippery whenever you don't have a skin on it. So obviously you got the cutout there for the Apple logo. And then, yeah, so like I said, big pro tip, use a blow dryer. But for this video, like I said, I'm only doing it with my hand here. But there you go, guys. Sopiguard Black Honeycomb on the iPhone 12. Check it out. Hit that like button, subscribe down below, and also comment if you have this skin on your iPhone. So see you on the next one, guys. Be safe out there.